Welcome to the channel. If your Microsoft Windows operating system is not any of these editions, you will not be able to access the local security policy editor from which you can add a new user group. But we have an alternative to that, and that is by making use of the command prompt. So let's go do that. Let me go activate the on-screen keyboard to show you the process. So here is the on-screen keyboard. If you want to, access the on-screen keyboard, what you can do is to go for the control key, the Windows logo key and letter O. That will give you this. So right now, let's go for the Windows key and letter R. Then that will give us the run dialog box. You have to go type control user passwords too. So right here, you can see that we have two user groups here, Code with Sam and the administrators. Okay, so what I can do is to just double click on one of them, one of the users. Then if we go to group membership and then go for order, so let me open the drop down. You can see the user groups I have on this computer. Okay, I added this Code with Sam, so let's go delete this Code with Sam and add it back. Okay, on the search bar I will go type command prompt. You can see that we have it up here. In order for you to add and equally delete a user group, you must right click and run this as administrator. Okay, run as administrator. So you will see this message. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Go for yes. Here is our command prompt. So here is the command we're going to use to delete the user group Code with Sam. Okay, I will have to replace this with the user Code with Sam. So here is the command net local group, then the user group you would like to delete, then a space, then / and delete. After that, hit enter. You can see the command completed successfully. Let's go back and check if we still have it. I will go back to my on-screen keyboard and then I will go for the Windows logo key and letter R. That will give us a run dialog box. So if you type control user passwords too, you can see the user group has been deleted. We had two before, Code with Sam and administrators. So if I go back, let me double click on this user. Then I will go for group membership, order, the drop down, and then have a look. We don't have it any longer. So let's go and add a new user group. This time around it's going to be Code with Samuel. Okay, I will go back to the command prompt. To add a user group, this is the command for that. Net space local group, then the group name. So let's go for Code with Samuel. Remember, previously it was Code with Sam, but I have deleted that. I will go for Code with Samuel as a group. Okay, then after that, hit enter on my keyboard, and you can see that the command completed successfully. So let's go back and see what we have. I will get my on-screen keyboard and go for the Windows logo key and letter R. That will give us a run dialog box. Okay, so if you type control space user passwords to and go for OK, that will take you to where we were before. We have not assigned any user to that group, but let's go and double click and then go for group membership, order. Then I will open the drop down. You can see that we have a new user group. Then let's add a new user to this account. So to add a new user, I will go for add. Then I will go for sign in without a Microsoft account. Then I will go for local account. Let's go for a username. Then any hint. Then after that, I will go for next and finish. So you can see we have a new user, tutor 2, but the group assigned to this tutor is the users group. Let's go and assign tutor 2 to Code with Samuel. So I will double click on that user. Then I will go for group membership, then order, then drop down. I will go for Code with Samuel. I will apply and then OK. You can see automatically, you can see that Code with Samuel has a new user tutor too. Thanks for watching and God bless you.